Looking for the ultimate handheld vacuum in 2025? Whether you need powerful suction, cordless convenience, or pet-friendly cleaning, these top picks deliver next-level efficiency for home, car, and office. The Bissell AeroSlim is a lightweight, cordless handheld vacuum designed for quick cleanups. Featuring a lithium-ion battery, it provides strong suction power while remaining portable and easy to store. Its sleek design makes it ideal for cleaning car interiors, upholstery, and small messes around the home. The washable filter ensures long-term usability, while the USB charging capability allows for convenient recharging anywhere. With 17,000 PA suction power, the Sacker handheld car vacuum is built for deep cleaning. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance, while the foldable design makes it easy to store and carry. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, making it perfect for home, office, and pet hair removal. The multi-nozzle attachments allow for versatile cleaning, tackling dust, crumbs, and stubborn debris with ease. The G-TING handheld vacuum combines vacuuming and air dusting in one device, offering 16,000 PA, suction power, and LED lighting for better visibility. With multiple nozzles, it's perfect for cleaning tight spaces, car interiors, and pet hair. The built-in air duster function allows for blowing away dust from keyboards, electronics, and delicate surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Designed for pet owners, the Shark Cyclone Fanttik Pet Opio handheld vacuum features hypervelocity suction and an 8-inch crevice tool for targeted cleaning. Its compact design and powerful motor make it ideal for removing pet hair from furniture and carpets. The easy-to-empty dustbin ensures hassle-free maintenance, while the lightweight build makes it comfortable for extended use. The Fanttik Fold Fi 10 Ultra Deluxe offers 17 kilopascals suction power, a pivot nozzle, and a charging base for convenient storage. With up to 35 minutes of runtime, this vacuum is perfect for home and car cleaning, while the smart LED display provides real-time battery updates. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise cleaning, making it ideal for reaching tight corners and under furniture. These handheld vacuums offer powerful suction, portability, and advanced features for efficient cleaning. Which one fits your needs best? Check the description now to learn more.